Is your dog coughing like this, persistent, hacking cough, gagging, runny nose, and sometimes fever? It sounds scary, but it's usually mild. Kennel cough spreads through droplets in the air, at kennels, parks, or groomers, just like a cold in humans. Get your dog vaccinated, keep them away from sick pups, and avoid overcrowded places during outbreaks. Most dogs recover with rest and hydration. Vets may prescribe antibiotics or cough suppressants for comfort. Kennel cough is common, but preventable. A little care keeps your best friend safe and sound. Have a question about your pet's health, habits, or happiness? Just drop it below. We're always listening. Follow Pawfect tips for more tales, tricks, and treats every day.